Welcome to Gourmet Aroma AI. Today we are making a classic Swiss roll cake with silky Swiss buttercream, a perfect treat for any occasion. Hey everyone, I'm Chef Surojit and today we are do something special, French buttercream with roll cake. So it's very lighty, floppy and spongy, filled with the French buttercream. So let's go to start how to make French buttercream roll cake. Prepare the baking tray with baking sheet and butter brushing. Now I prepare the cake. So I take the 4 large eggs. In a bowl, I separate the eggs yolk and egg white. In a large mixing bowl, combine the egg yolk, remaining sugar, oil, milk, vanilla and salt. Beat on high speed until light and fluffy. About 2 minutes, shift the flour, cacao powder and baking powder onto the egg yolk mixture and beat on low speed just until combined. In another large mixing bowl or the bowl of the stand, mixture fitted with the whisk attachment, beat egg whites with sugar on high speed until stiff peaks form. About 5 minutes. Fold the egg whites into the egg yolk mixture in 3 parts until no white streaks remain. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and smooth into an even layer. Bake for a 12 to 15 minutes or until the cake springs back when gently pressed. Prepare the another butter paper and greasing with oil. Flip the cake out onto the butter paper. Carefully peel off the parchment paper and discard. Starting at one short end, roll up the cake with the butter paper into a tight log. Keep the cake rolled up until completely cold, about 2 hours. Now we prepare the fillings. Separate 5 large eggs yolks and egg white and place the egg white them into the large bowl. Beat the egg white continuously and also prepare the sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Stir gently and ensure all sugar is wet. Heat the mixture over medium heat without stirring. Attach a candy thermometer to the side of the pan. Heat until the sugar syrup reach 116 degrees centigrade. While the sugar syrup is heating, whipping the egg white on medium speed using the whisk attachment. Whip until the egg white are pale and slightly thickened. Once the sugar syrup reach 116 degree Celsius, slowly pour in a thin, steady stream into the whipped egg white while the mixture is running on medium speed. Be careful not to pour the syrup directly onto the whisk to avoid spatula. Increase the mixture speed to high and whip the mixture until it's thick, pale, and cooled to room temperature. This may take 5 to 7 minutes. Reduce the mixture speed to medium and start adding the softened butter one pieces at a time. Allow each pieces to incorporate fully before adding the next. Once all the butter is added, increase the speed to high and whip until the buttercream is smooth and fluffy. Add the vanilla extract and pinch of salt. Gently unroll the sponge cake and spread an even layer of buttercream. The flavors more high, so that's the reason I use the chocolate chips over the layer to sprinkle. Now roll it back up carefully using the parchment paper to guide you. Wrap it in parchment paper and refrigerate for 30 minutes to set. Let's add the finishing touch. The buttercream over the cake. I put that and then I spread with my spatula all over. Now I add the color and I add to the buttercream and whisk very oily. The decoration part I did it with the purple buttercream over the cake like a flower, and the final touch I put to the some natural flower over the purple buttercream. Look at the beautiful swirl. This Swiss roll is soft, creamy, and absolutely delicious. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing recipes. See you in next video.